Hi students, this is Mr. Sampson with a short presentation on how to make your biome presentation project. Take a look at the rubric. I have it broke down into days that you need to complete to keep up with the assignment. On day one, Monday, basically what you're going to do is have an introduction and talk about the region and the biome that you have selected. Let's take a look at what I have. I'm selecting the biome tundra, and the specific region that I'm going to look a little closer at for a tundra biome is Nunavut, Canada, which is a province in northern Canada, right in this region. These are just a few pictures of the Nunavut region to introduce your audience to your chosen region. Next, on Tuesday, you will give a short presentation on the biotics and abiotic parts of your biome. Biotic are living parts, abiotic are non-living parts. For example, climate, the climate of the region, average temperatures, types of soils, terrain, geology. Let's take a look at that. Biotics, I have wolves, polar bears. Notice I have a citation. All you need to do is copy and paste your website on the picture. That gives it some credit. And I have each animal named as well. Next, I have biotics as far as plants go. I'd like you to cover some animals and a few plants. I don't expect you to have everything. Again, each of these has been named. Abiotic factors, geologically, I'm talking about the fact that Nunavut is located on the Canadian Shield. The landscape is dominated by tundra, rock, and snow and ice. That's fairly simple, but let's get into a few more specifics. The climate, winters can be severe. I have some temperature ranges here and here. Summers are milder, but the temperatures can drop suddenly. And I have some of the average temperatures graphed out right here. You can see we drop clear into 30 below or so in the winter time. One of the abiotic features of the soil in Nunavut is the permafrost. So I have mentioned that because of the permafrost, the water tends not to drain into the soils, so the country can have many lakes and wetland areas. Also, if you notice right here, the soil is low in nutrients and coarse-grained glacial deposits. Next, you'll want to, on Wednesday or Thursday, you'll want to finish up by giving an example of an animal's adaptation that lives in your biome. You'll need to stay on task, of course, and you'll turn in a minimum of 5 slides, pictures, and of course a citation, which I'll be showing you. If you are doing a PowerPoint, it will need to be saved in the biome file, and or if you do StoryKit, present it on time, will give you 2 extra points. My adaptation is the tundra ermine's adaptation characteristics. The ermine changes colors from season to season. The camouflage color protects them from predators and increases its ability to hunt successfully. He's brown in the summer and white in the winter. Here are my citations. Now I want to keep these citations fairly simple for an introduction here. I basically want your website name, your page, and your address. A couple of these should be fairly simple to make. Give it a try. Thank you very much, and we'll move on.